Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get iPhone like photo markup magnifier feature in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have a iPhone smartphone and on the right side I have a Android smartphone, right? So firstly let me show you on my iPhone smartphone. So let me take a screenshot firstly. Now under the screenshot editor, you can see here on the right bottom corner one plus icon. Just tap on it. Now here you will see one option written magnifier, right? Just tap on it. Now you can see one circle snippet, so wherever you want to add here you can add it, and you can see one green dot as well as one blue dot, so you can increase or decrease depending upon your needs. So once you're done, you can click on the done option on the left top corner. Now save to photos. Now it will be set. So to get the similar photo markup magnifier on your Android smartphone, what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Pick Marker. And the first is you will see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now just click on this select image and select the respective image. And now just click on this option and now just slide it. And now you will see here one magnify icon. Just click on it. Now just tap and hold and just select the location and just click on this red marking. Just click on it. Now you can just place it depending upon your needs. So you can see here one arrow icon here. You can just drag it to decrease or increase the size of this circle. So once you're done, you can just click on any blank area of the screen. And once you're done, just click on this icon on the right top corner. Now it will be saved to the photo or gallery application. So now you can see here. So by using this application named as Pick Marker, you can easily get iPhone like photo markup magnifier feature in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.